Well, what a great time to be following the great game. The first day, it's what we wait for throughout the close season, and we are thrilled to have you on board no matter where on the planet you may be joining us from. English football is back. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Well, this, of course, amongst them, a big chance! Goal! As simple as you like, the outcome utterly inevitable.
Yeah, I'd rather praise the scorer than criticise the defence here. He stepped forth and conquered.
Liverpool grab an early lead. Good start. Lokonga. Out to the left it goes. White gets it away. Gets it back. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. And the counter is on. Move forward, and quickly so. And it's Barkley. Played out towards the right wing. Gets his pass away. And that has been clubbed away. Saka. It could be in here. Nketiah. Oh, it's so he's got the shot away! Lokonga. Oh, that's a key interception. Fiddles it through. So just a one early goal to report so far. 1-0 the score. Rice. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. That's been intercepted. Bellingham. Diaz. He is through here. Hits one! And he hits the net. 2 to the good. They have breathing space. The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Oh, that's wonderful to see. The run was explosive, the finish exquisite.
Liverpool grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
There's the hit! Yes! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
Bellingham. Cleared without complication. And the whistle goes for half-time. Well, there's plenty that can be said about the last 45 minutes, but one thing that cannot be said is that it's dull. One-sided, yes, but packed with excitement.
Peter, do I really need to say anything, or can I simply refer you to the scoreline?
Liverpool very much in control here, 3 up and cruising. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half. Nketiah, face to face with the kick, shot a goal! Sticks it away! And he's got what he came for, his 20th goal. That really is quite fabulous, all his own doing.
I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to supply the finish, and he came up trumps.
Liverpool tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. Drives it in. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Lokonga. And the finish! They've scored!
Well, a 1-2 is easier to pull off than most dribbles, and I think we've just seen the proof.
Well, they have a goal, but it is surely too much to hope for a comeback. White. Saka. Real chance! And it's in! Result no longer in doubt. It's just about how many. And that really is so impressive.
Yeah, and having the thrust to get there is one thing, having the composure to score is another.
After 61 minutes is
It's become a case of men against boys. Over to the left. Oh, he'd have done well to reach that.
Substitution.
Saka.
Niceties are not part of this approach. This is actually quite aggressive.
Can he finish? It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Rice. Now it's Nketiah. Oh, well played. So, what can they make of this? He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Barkley. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Now it's Rice. He's left his man. And he's had a shot. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary.
Substitution on the field. Number 36, Nketiah. Coming on the field is number 60, Diogo Jota. Substitution in progress.
Driving forward. Now the counter. Chong. Liverpool needed that. They really needed it.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
Well, the counter could be on here. Pedri. Driving on and making good progress. No, he's not played the ball. That's a foul.
Substitution on the field. Number 47, Bukayo Saka. Number 89, coming on the field. Number 63.
And that's the end of that. It all started well enough.
Number 73. 6 added minutes has been indicated.
Bellingham. Jota. Actually, is it out of harm's way? Liverpool get it back again. Jota. It's Diogo Jota. And the shot! And that's that. Liverpool get off to a winning start. It bodes well for what promises to be another exciting season. Your final thoughts, Jim?
Well, of course, the result was the opening day priority, and it was achieved with
So
real
there it is.
front foot.